Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the timers in Logo PLC software using Soft Comfort 8.3 version. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our Soft Comfort software and here we will create the new program. Just cancel this all and this also we will be cancel. Sorry, he is asking for to save yani. If you like to be save this one, so we have to be save the program, add, click it on add new diagram, and after here will be some interface will be open. Or you can also, if have some program inside your PLC, that you can backup. It's very simple and easy way. This is the your, here you can give your device name and here you can your program name. For example, this program name I will give this timers PRO, and here you have to be give the IP address, which is your PLC IP address. My PLC IP address is 192.168.0 and dash 3, which you have, you can select yani. This automatically will become, that's another, you, it's okay, and just click on OK. And after your first diagram will be open, and here you have to be first one, you have to be one input needs to execute your timer, and next you have to be take the output. For example, any output, if you need Q, for example, I will take one output for Q. I will make little big after zoom, after this good to visible. So next we take this output Q1, and after next we take one timer on delay. This one the special functions, you can see the section of timers. Here you can choose the on delay timer, and timer we will be place it here inside between this logic. And this, if you like to be adjust your areas, you can easily adjust. And very simple, you have to be connect this one line is in trig function, and this one is the output of your Q1, and this you have to be download to the into the PLC. Just click it on download, and sorry, one thing we forget, because of we have to be give the time address. You have to be double click it on this one, how much time after you like to open your contact NORNC. So for example, I will choose 5 seconds and 1 second timer I will be choose. And this block name, if you like to be give, you can give the block name. If like to be leave, you can leave this one and click OK. Now it's this 5 seconds timer we are using in this program, and now we click the download. And when this interface will be open, after you have to be just click on test first your PLC and PC link is okay or not okay. Maybe your IP address or your cable have some problem, if it will be not connect. So just he is asking for logo PLC password, so type only just logo after, and click enter, and just wait for some seconds. It will be shown here successfully connected, and click OK, and your program will be download to the PLC. But maybe I think so it will be asked again for one time to download the program for passwords. Yes, he is asking for to stop the PLC first, because of in running condition cannot download the program. When data transfer is busy at completed 100% after you can exit this page. So in also my camera, I will show you that real PLC and how it works running with the timer. What he says, please check logo in the correct mode. The logo PLC PC cable is connected. Correct interface selected. Select the new interface. We will select the new interface. After this will be on this one and click it OK. And yes, again yes, no. Why this failed system? Again we have to be check this one. And click test first because of Ethernet and this is PC adapter. Wait for something logo. Click enter. Yeah, I think so. Our this one driver is not okay. So again test and click OK and click on yes. And now you can put it on the simulation. And now as per seen, this is 5 seconds we and start when 5 seconds will be completed. After our output will be on. You can see now 5 seconds are completed and our output is on. But this one I will show you in the real PLC how it works. And just we will take this near one. Sorry, I will open my camera and here you can see this is our one bulb is connected with my output because of we Q1 selected. If we both selected, both will be run. So this is our hardware already connected with the PLC, this 4 push buttons and this 2 bulbs just only. So I give the signal at my I0.1 and we will be wait for this 5 seconds. Timer is running now. See, now our 5 seconds are completed. 5 seconds after our output is on. As I release the signal, so our output will be closed. Again, once again I will be press this one I1 and it will be wait for 5 seconds and it will be on. And if we like to change this time, so we have to be again this time double click it on this one. For example, I make it this for 3 seconds and click OK and again download to the PLC. And from here also we can download all parameters, he says. And again we have to be download. Click on test and click OK and stop the simulation first and click yes. And now your program is successfully downloaded. And if you like to be tested here in the simulation mode, also you can here when I1 you click, this time is running. You can see after 3 seconds here, this is on. Again I will check, see this as 3 seconds will be completed, our output will be on. And if we select this one here I0.1, when I select this just 3 seconds after make it on. See, this is now time is 3 seconds. And also if you have some any confusion here inside the program, also you can just only click it here for the conversion into the ladder, because this is the FBD language. FBD language is little hard, but this is ladder language. If you like to just click it here and your program will be shown in the ladder diagram mode. If you like to make it little bigger, I will make zoom and you can see This is now in simulation mode. Put after you can see I will put this one I0 I1 signal, and timer is our running, and as time will be completed 3 seconds after our Q1 is on. So again I will stop this one and it will be stop. And if you like to see these lines, if you like to be arrange this all lines, you just have to select this area, and just here you can select this one, and after your horizontally system all will be selected. Yeah, is this is okay. Alignments are okay. If you have some alignments or problem, after you can easily here design yani. For example, this is here in second line, and if you like to be rearrange this one, you can select this area and you can make it here, after it will be selected. And if you like to be this distance like to be select automatically, you have to be click it on this one, horizontally distribute space. After this will be how much you like to distance set, click ok, and after it will be automatically. This is just this one. So hope guys you will be understand about this timer, how we can use the timers in logo PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.